Hey guys, Jason with Overland. We're going to install the winch isolator today, and I know I got a lot of questions about this, so I'll post the Amazon link below of this 500 amp isolator for my winch. And what I had to do was those brackets right there, I had to widen them out a little bit with a drill bit so this Jeep bolt would fit in there. And let me show you why. So this is obviously a Jeep Gladiator with the Eco Diesel motor. We have our awesome 13,500 pound open road winch on there, and it's already wired up, but here's what we're gonna do. There's two bolts on this side. I'm pretty sure the gas model might be different, but I took one out already. But what we're gonna do is actually mount this in between there, and I had to take one of these bolts out to widen that so that bracket would fit in there. So this one's loose right here, and this one we took all the way out, and then we're gonna install with that. Obviously there's enough room to fit, and we're gonna check the clearances. All right, so these two bolts right here are 16, and you're gonna need an open-ended 16 wrench to get those on. But once I got it far enough where I can kind of wiggle it back and forth, we're gonna tighten those up. So plenty of clearance right there. Fits in nice and tight and snug. And so these wires right here, I have the auxiliary switch panel from Jeep, the one that I ordered with the Jeep. So I have all the wires right here for the aux switches. So I'm gonna wire aux 4 to here, and this goes to ground, this goes to the battery, and this goes to the winch. You could reverse whatever, it's still gonna work the same. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find what wire color comes for aux 4, and I'll post that right here. And we're gonna wire it to there. This is gonna go to ground. This is gonna go to the winch, and that's gonna go to our positive battery terminal. I'm gonna tighten these up first, and I do have caps, plastic caps I can put on here as well as a second layer of protection. And then the way this is gonna work is I'm gonna press the aux 4 on the inside, and that's gonna turn, open this isolator up, so then I'll power at the winch. That way the winch doesn't have power full time, and if anything did fail with that electrical winch, it's not gonna burn the car down, because there's no fuse on this circuit. So this is pretty much gonna be it. Okay, I unbolted the positive to the winch cable, and so I put it right here. So this wire right here comes down around here, and all the way down to the winch. That's hot at all times. So now we're gonna run the other side of the circuit from here. We're gonna run it back up here to this positive terminal right here. And if you guys want better terminals, and I probably need to do this, is Epic Vehicle Outfitters has what's called the Wizard, and it basically replaces these with like really nice ones, both positive and negative, that really make this job a lot easier. So I'll put the link down below, and check those out too if you're going to be doing a bunch of wiring to your battery with everything. But yeah, I got caps for these too somewhere. Let me go look. But let's wire this other side of the circuit real quick. All right, we modified up the same gauge wire, and we're gonna wire that on there and then loop it back around to the positive terminal. All right, so we're wired up. This goes to aux 3, that's ground. Power from the battery, power to the winch. All right, hit it. Yeah, so you can hear it click real good. Hit it, hit it, hit it. All right, now to turn on the winch, I have it wired up to auxiliary 3. So when I press this, now the winch has power, and I can just come up here and use my winch to go in and out. On my Epic Crow Molly system up here, which I got my radio up here now, as well as my tablet. I'll show you guys that in another video that I'm putting together. But well, that does it for this episode. If you guys got questions, put them down below. I'll I'm normally pretty good at responding. I'll also put the link down below of the isolator if you guys want to do that. And then you're just gonna need some wire, some extra wire to make that happen. Pretty easy install. I like how Jeep has those little bolts right there, and it drops in perfectly there. And I do have the bigger AGM Odyssey battery sitting in there as well. So if you still have the factory battery or the smaller battery, you'll have more room over there as well. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification button. We'll see you in the next video. As always, thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, please think about joining my Patreon page. For the small price of about $4, you can help grow my audience and help me create more videos like this. Just point your phone's camera at that image and click on the link and join. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you next time.